Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video, and on this training I'm going to show you how you can install the phone burner power dialer extension into your Zoho CRM so that you and your organization can start powering through your calls at a rate of 60 to 80 dials per hour. Now, installing this extension is super easy. We just need to go to the settings gear in the upper right hand corner. Then we're going to click on the all option under marketplace. And we're going to do a quick search for phone burner. We're going to click on that option. That'll take us to the phone burner power dialer for Zoho CRM overview, the extension, so we can install it. But quickly before we install it, I do want to point out that you can watch a brief little video kind of overview of what this integration is going to look like. Also, you may want to take a look at some of the ratings and reviews from others who have installed this extension. And after you install the extension, please take a moment to come back here and leave us a glowing review. Now let's go ahead and do the install. So we're going to click on the install button right here. That's going to bring up the installation confirmation window. We're going to go ahead and check the allow marketplace vendors to contact us. And we're going to check the box to agree to terms and service and privacy policy. Once we've checked those boxes, we're going to go ahead and click the install button. And then once again, we're going to confirm the installation. So we're going to check these boxes and continue to install. Now you can choose whether or not you want to install for admins only or specific profiles, but I would recommend that you install for all users. There's no harm in doing this. This just makes the option to launch a dial session available to everyone. However, only people who you've authorized to have a phone burner account will actually be able to take advantage of it. And it makes it a lot easier for the permissions if you just install for all users. But of course, you need to make the decision that makes the most sense for you. Then we're going to go ahead and confirm. And the system is now installing this extension. Once it's successful, you're going to see the installation details here, as well as the modules that this extension has been added to. It's been added to the leads, vendors, accounts, and contacts. This extension will install 3 buttons in each of these modules. One button is within each contact record. Another button is for each record when you're looking at a list, and then the most important one, in my opinion, is the option to initiate a dial session to an entire list. And that's it. That's how easy it is for you to install the phone burner extension inside your Zoho environment. Now it's time for you to take a moment and install this powerful extension into your Zoho account. Thanks for watching, and happy dialing.